drive right.
What do you mean drive right? You're stupid.
Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
What's up? YouTube, La Family G here.
I'm Karen.
And I'm Cesar. And welcome to another video. Today we decided to start our vlogging videos. Today we're gonna go run some errands and probably even, I don't know, see what we get ourselves into before the kids get out of school. How's your day going, baby?
It's going okay. I don't feel all that well, but here I am.
Thank you so much, guys, for all the support y'all are giving us. It still amazes me.
Yes, guys, thank you so much.
We apologize up front if we're a little awkward. This is our first actual vlog, just talking to the camera about our day. What are we doing? So apologize in advance. But today we're gonna go ahead and run some errands. Karen has to go to the mail office.
Postal office.
Whatever. We gonna send some mail.
I have to drop off letters.
We gotta send some mail. But we have to we're gonna, what, dude?
What's going on here?
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go there. We gotta go to the library to drop off some books for my daughter, and then we also gotta go
To get a snack.
to get a snack. We just got out the house. You were eating a snack while we were stepping out the house, but
I have to stay snacking, guys. So I'm on a kind of strict diet due to my health.
yeah. So it's, I mean, she's pregnant, so I mean, okay, I accept the challenge. I sacrifice.
It's not a challenge. It's you taking me. Well, I'm taking you to get us a snack.
I sacrifice myself, man. Even if it's chocolate. Oh, you know what?
Nobody's talking about chocolate.
Dude, it has to be
I'm talking
chocolate.
about like some fruit or something healthy, and he's over here.
Especially if my kids in here, I ain't gotta share, man. I eat that chocolate all by myself.
Oh,
Or just my daughter.
no.
My daughter would be taking my chocolate away, man. I fight that little girl.
They're the chocolatey people. Oh my gosh, everything chocolate, chocolate fudge, chocolate this, double chocolate. Oh my gosh, no. No. I can't do chocolate. I'm not a big fan.
I love chocolate, man. I could do chocolate all day. I don't care what it is. If it's chocolate on chocolate,
He almost
give me
didn't
more
look
chocolate.
like chocolate.
Nah, I do, man. I'm chocolate cup. You don't love this chocolate.
Ew.
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go get some. Go ahead and get some. We're gonna go to the library first, and then we'll probably stop by and show y'all something. You know what? That sounds good. Hot Cheetos with cheese. Man, I feel like I'm the one pregnant, man. I'm craving everything. Hot Cheetos with cheese right now.
Yeah,
That don't sound good.
Yeah.
Or elote, un
We might
elote.
end up at a refresqueria or something.
But there's some
Yeah.
pretty good ones here in Baytown. I think we'll go to the one in downtown Baytown, so y'all could go. So y'all
Texas Avenue.
Could, Texas Avenue, so y'all could go.
That's a good one.
Yeah, so y'all could go ahead and see
What's popping?
what's popping there. Man, dude, let's me all la boca con los hot Cheetos.
And I'm the pregnant one.
We just got out the post office, the mail office, whatever. What's it called?
The place where you drop off letters.
The place where you got do it. We just got out right there. She already sent the letter she has to send. Now we're on our way to the library to return some books. Dude, those books, they're way past due, huh?
No, they're not. They're not way past due. So I thought they were due on Friday. This Friday. It turns out they were due like 2 days ago.
That's 2 days. That's way
It's
past
okay.
due, man.
I'm still good.
That's way past due. I like going to the library, especially with Natalie. I like going. I was a big reader when I was a little kid, man. I don't know what happened to me.
You stupid.
It's not me. I remember when I was little, I would spend hours reading books, man.
What about now?
But my dad, one time he got at me because he didn't want me to be a nerd. So he got at me. He's like, go outside and play. And then he never got me to read again, ever, like ever. So now he's like, why don't you get a book, bro? probably suck, dude. You suck.
If anything, I am like the safest driver out here. What is going on? Oh my gosh. These people, they have no patience. The light is literally in red. I'm like probably the 6th car in line and the car behind me is honking.
Would you get an elote or would you get some hot Cheetos?
Oh, that's the hard part. That's why I love going to the frisquerias, but I hate it at some time because then I don't know what to get. You know, I want literally se me antoja todo. I love agua de melón. Oh my gosh, what's going on? It's irritating me.
Dude, like, ¿estás cagando qué?
I've been on my lane. Oh my gosh, tú también. I'm not even going slow. Well, anyways, as I was telling y'all, I love agua de melón and I love hot Cheetos with cheese. So I always get, that's what I always get. Agua de melón, hot Cheetos with cheese all the time. But then Mr. over here comes out with his smoothies and, oh, I want this ice cream and
I like getting elote because I know she gets the hot Cheetos with cheese. And then she never finishes them, so I end up eating them. But then I like getting watermelon.
He loves to get those smoothies they do at the refresquerias. Like, they're more, I don't know, they're so natural, you know?
I like watermelon water too. So I like getting all this stuff, and then the next day, bro.
It's like a super bad diarrhea.
It's worth it. I'm quemar del.
Ew. He'd be crying for wiping.
It's like red with yellow, and then like granitos de maíz because of the elote.
Cesar, you're so nasty. I can't with you.
Nah, yeah, guys, but we're gonna go ahead and stop at the refresqueria.
Because the mister over here is craving some.
Dude, it's like I'm the one that's pregnant, bro. Like, for real, I'm the one that's always craving everything. She had little cravings here and there, but I'm the one that do it at 12 at midnight or 1 in the morning.
Yes, he be telling me, let's go downstairs to get a snack.
You know what's a really good snack in the middle of the night? A maruchan with the bomb ass sandwich, like lettuce, avocado, everything, and then hot Cheetos, like with lemon, the green ones. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the lemon.
If y'all ever wake up at night or if it's late at night and you haven't gone to sleep, try that. That's really, 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 really good, man. It hits the spot.
With limon and Valentina. Oh,
dude, it hits the spot, but not that little brown Valentina shit. No, the black label Valentina. That hits the spot all the time, man. We just go downstairs and do it.
No, well, I have to be hungry in order to do it. This one's just a fatty. You know?
It's the baby's fault, man.
What is going on? Oh my goodness. These cars.
Well, guys, we have bad news. We went to the refresqueria and
it was closed for remodeling.
There's more around here, but they don't taste the same. I don't feel like they taste the same at all. Es por eso te pitan.
Who is honking? Oh my gosh.
No mames, que le vienes cagando.
What is going on?
Tus que no mames, dude, like.
Literally, I feel my face burning. I am so pissed.
What?
What is wrong with my car? Everybody's honking at me.
I don't think it's too your car, dude. Es que dale, you're like literally, you have space. Dale pa allá. Like, go.
Do you not know the driving laws?
Dude, just because you like literally you have space, por eso están pitando.
No. Record. I want to everybody see I don't fit. If I don't fit, it means you cannot go because if the semaphore changes, I'm gonna be in the middle. do something about it.
Dude, what? Dude,
Te traigo de...
dude,
Why is he laughing?
I don't know, dude. Pues que le vienes cagando, keep going straight.
Cagando, I'm driving good.
Dude, I'm seco, es que te digo, dale, dude. You don't listen to me.
Seriously.
Dude, like,
Do something about it or I will get off the car.
what do you want me to do about it? You know, dude.
César, no te pongas así, que mal me caes.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, I swear, whoever's honking. I'm done with all this honking. I'm putting up right here.
No, dude, es que tú la vas cagando
No,
tú.
yeah, I'm done.
Like,
I'm
dude,
done driving. All these people.
Drive right.
What do you mean? Drive right. You're
Dude,
stupid.
dude,
I've been
dude,
driving
maneja
right.
bien, dude. La vas cagando.
No la
Dude,
voy cagando de qué?
Dude, yo también le estuviera pitando, dude, no mames.
What? Tell me one thing that I
Te
did
estoy
wrong.
diciendo
Tell me
that-
one
te-
thing.
te-
Tell me
dude,
one thing that I did wrong.
I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you, go, dude.
I
Go.
was going bumper to bumper. What are you talking about?
Dude, dale tan verde. Dude, go.
You're so stupid. That's what
Where are you
I'm
going?
not driving no more.
Dude,
No,
¿a dónde vas?
you're driving. I'm not driving.
Hey.
You're so dumb. Oh my god, that's why everybody was honking at me.
I'm sorry.
That's not funny. I'm
Hey.
losing my mind.
I'm sorry, guys. Dude, she was losing her mind. She was pissed off.
I even have a headache of how bad I got. Oh my god.
Dude.
So now I know it wasn't me this whole time. I was like, why are all the cars honking at me? There's a sign saying honk my wife. What is...
It wasn't the signs. You do like suck at driving.